My problem is, I have an identity crisis.
So why don't you just tell me a little bit about yourself then?
Well, I have a computer science degree, but I don't really know what that means.
To answer this question, I set off on a journey. What really is computer science? What are the elements, principles, and specialties? Is it even really a science? And why did I just walk around the building? I decided to turn to my scholarly journals. The 1950s were coming to a close when Louis Fine published his ACM article, which is often cited as the earliest print reference of the phrase computer science. He stated parenthetically, "Let us call them the computer sciences." I don't think he actually sounded like that. Due to the interdisciplinary nature of computer science, Lewis argued that a department should be created that can control equipment and experience standards for the teachers. IBM was the largest driver of what was happening in the university, and Lewis wanted to change that. There was debate about computer science being a science, but that's a chapter for another day. Next, I turned to scientists.
We had them compile and analyze the course catalogs for the top computer science schools around the world. We're not really sure what this means, but it tastes delicious.
Well, that didn't help, but on my drive home, I discovered some clues. See, because my car and software have a lot in common. Gas, air, current, and exhaust are my data. They go in and out of the car. Algorithms are all these other parts. They take the data, convert it, and use it to accomplish things my car needs to operate as a system. Data structures are how we organize our data. For example, pipes to our tank, our fuel tank, pipes to our air intake. But that's where this metaphor starts to break down. Oh, and applications also crash. It was my darkest hour. So I did what any computer scientist would do. I turned to the internet. But you know what? It's totally cool, because before I woke up, I found codecarrot.org, and they had this chart that helped me determine what type of computer scientist I am. My identity crisis is solved, and I'm back to doing what I do best. But I do have a new hobby. Does anyone know what chemistry is?
Hey everyone, Eric here from codecarrot.org. Thanks for watching our video. If you haven't already done so, go to our site and check out all of the other videos that we have about computer science and game development. We're making new content, so don't forget to subscribe if you want to keep up with all of the latest things that we're making. Have fun, keep coding.